Hello everyone, this is Coach Wade, and right now we're on the website of CreditBuilderIQ, and I will put a link in the description field of the video to bring you directly to this resource. You can actually start building your credit now. You don't have to wait for tomorrow. Do it now. Stop feeling the pain of a poor credit score. Take your credit into your own hands today so you can have the future that you absolutely deserve. You see, credit building tools are at your fingertips when it comes to Credit Builder IQ. You sign up in just a few clicks. Then we analyze your credit information. Our AI flags your credit report for items negatively affecting your score. It helps you generate dispute letters and gives you education on how to build your score. Again, it's disputing made easy. You can also use your rent and bills to build your credit. All of it's all inclusive. So your rent and your utility payments don't have to go unnoticed. We report them to the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, to help raise your credit score. 1 in 3 people have inaccuracies on their credit reports. 20 points in 30 days, so you can actually increase your credit score by at least 20 points in 30 days, and then 50 points or more. Also, you can increase your credit score by 50 points or more for those who stay on the product longer. So this is huge. Go ahead and file your dispute right now. Click on the button. Be well on your way to getting access to Credit Builder IQ, so you can be well on your way to getting access to qualify for the dream home and save money, make it easier to get hired, and also lower your insurance premiums. All today for $29.99 per month. That's huge. Again, the link will be in the description for the video. To begin, you guys have a great day. Take care.